Now, if you know where we are, let me know down in the comments what gives it away that you figure out where we are. I mean, you may know this driveway, or the back road, or you see a sign, or a house, or whatever. If you've been here before, you may know it. If you stick around, you don't know where it is, I'll let you know at the end anyway. But today's little chit chat, rough as guts driveway. Today's little chit chat. I haven't been tattooed, or hadn't been tattooed for about 5 years. So I thought, you know, it's time. And also I thought it's time to get back to the gym again. Because gym shut down with all the COVID, coronavirus, whatever you want to fucking call it. They shut down, then they reopened, and then 2 weeks later they shut down again, and a couple months later they get reopened. But with all the dog shit, you know, you've got to sign in or scan in with a QR code, and you've got to show it proof of double vaccination, you've got to wear a fucking mask. Get this, they wanted you to wear a mask, not while you're working out, but if you, say you go on the treadmill for 15 minutes, they wanted you to wear a mask in between stations. So you've just warmed up on the treadmill, bike, elliptical, what the fuck ever it was, and then, oh, I'm going to go and lift some weights. While you're walking from here to here, they want you to wear a mask, and you're puffing and carrying on and fucking sweating and, oh yeah, you've got to wear a mask inside, indoors. Get fucked. So I didn't even bother going back. I never went to the gym. Haven't been there since, probably like March 2020, thereabouts. So yeah, I was thinking I need to get back to the gym. However, wrong time of the year. You know, you got New Year just around the corner, and you're going to have all the New Year's resolutions. You know, everyone's saying, you know, New Year, new me. 2023 is going to be my year. I'm going to kill it. Going to be the best I can be. Well, you know, all good stuff. But any time of the day or night, it's going to be fucking busy. So yeah, I mean, once I get going, I'm keen. I enjoy it. I like it. But it's just initially getting that get up and go and getting, you know, there for the first few times. So I thought, well, I'll reward myself. I'll go to the gym, I'll go and sign up, go a few times, and at the end of the year, I'm going to get myself a new tattoo. I haven't been tattooed for 5 years, or, you know, maybe 6 years. I can't remember how long it's been, but it's been a long time. And I thought, okay, so that'll be like my little reward to myself, my own little Christmas present, if you will. Well, plan backfired. As soon as I thought about, okay, I'm going to get a tattoo, when I do this, I'm already looking up tattoo ideas and looking at pictures and thinking, okay, where am I going to go? Turns out I got a mate that's opened a shop somewhat recently. He's not a tattooist, but he owns the place. So I had a chat with him. Next thing I know, I'm walked in. Next thing I know, I've got a fucking fresh new tattoo. Still haven't joined gym. Booked in again this weekend for session number 2. So yeah, kind of, like I said, yeah, I really backfired on the whole joining the gym thing and giving myself a reward for going, you know, making myself healthy. I've just given myself the reward straight up without doing anything. Makes sense of that. But I'll probably join, I don't know, in the new year. It's not the smartest idea to go when you have a fresh tattoo, you know, like sweating and carrying on, and you probably go to wipe and, you know, wipe the sweat off, and you fucking scratch the shit out of it, and it fucking hurts. And look, anyone that has tattoos, and I'm not just talking about like a little tiny thing, anyone that has had like at least a couple hours in the seat, you will know what I'm talking about. Anyone that hasn't got tattoos, you know, just hear me out here. I think they put heroin or cocaine or fucking some sort of opioid or something in the ink, because I hadn't been tattooed, like I said, for 5 years. And at that point I was like, I'll go again one day, you know, I'll get there. There's a car behind me. There's nowhere really to pull up, but I might pull up somewhere just to let old mate pass, because I'm not trying to break any fucking land speed records. Here's a fucking perfect little pull up. Not trying to break any land speed records going along here. There you go, buddy. Now you can go wherever you're going. I can't even remember what I was saying now. Oh, so at 5 years, I was like, yeah, I'll go again sometime. You know, whenever I get there next, I'll get there. Wasn't, you know, I was still interested in getting some more, but I wasn't, you know, overly, you know, fussed with it. Went and got one, and as soon as I've got that ink in my body, I don't know what it is, but, you know, he showed me, he's got the mirror out, and I'm like, yeah, man, I'm fucking happy with this. When can you get me in next? And he's asking, oh, yeah, you know, I'll get you in soon. You know, let's do some more work. You know, like, the more work he does, the more money he makes. So it's in his best interest for me to come back. But at the same time, I'd only just finished getting tattooed, and I'm going, I need more. I need to get back in this seat. I need to get another one. So, yeah, I mean, being silly, you know, with the heroin or cocaine or something like that, but there's something in it. I don't know what it is. Your body must release endorphins, or, you know, like, you just get something that you like. Maybe it's like, if you go and you're a swimmer, you go and win a race, you're going to want to go in another race, you know, so you can win again. You get that feeling of accomplishment, or, you know, you get something that you like. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm just a fucking weird cunt. Let me know if you've got tattoos. If you're the same, you know, you get that feeling that you just want to get some scratching done on your skin. And then if you wait a while, you know, you sort of forget about it, and you're like, when it happens, it happens. So, yeah, anyway, that's about the rant for today. If you haven't picked it already yet, a little sign here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. We're on the back road. I think we're just sort of north of Tamworth. We're actually at Katingle. Really nice place, I think, out here. But, yeah, took the back road to get to that place, windy road. If there was work everywhere, I'd want to live somewhere like this. Up here, you know, no one cares. It's nice and quiet, no one bothers you. We're going straight over this fucking roundabout. We're not turning around here. So, yeah. Anyway, let me know if you found, you know, figured out where we were beforehand. Let me know what it is that gave it away. Or, yeah, the whole tattoo talk. You know, are you a weird fucking son of a bitch like me that just enjoys the pain? It's not a hurt pain, or well, kind of at the end it was, but it's a pain that you can deal with. But it's you're getting something for it. It's not like you just get kicked in the nuts and then all of a sudden you go, well, that fucking sucks. You know, you're getting a little bit of a scratching or pain or whatever you want to call it. But there is an end result. So, anyway, if I don't put out another video beforehand, have a good Christmas, safe holidays, all that sort of stuff, or, you know, all the good stuff that people says. There's been a few of you that have called me up on the radio out the roads. Never been afraid to say hi, you know, have a little chat or whatever. But yes, I need to get back into the fucking gist of making videos, because nearly everyone that calls me up on the radio says, you know, haven't seen the video for a while. So here we are for today. That's it. Bye now.